About the future, do you also keep asking?
如果
if
Jika
itanash
Jika
snash
About the future, SUPCON never stops thinking. If every watt was generated with minimal carbon footprint, if all extracted oil and gas could be safely transported and stored where it belongs, if every drop of crude oil going through the complex process could become a bright spot, if all chemical reactions were no longer coming with high consequence hazards, if all materials could be produced with maximal energy efficiency, if all metals could be made with zero waste and pollution-free, if the production of paper was no longer depriving from the nature, if each dosage of medicine is totally traceable and transparent, if every bite is a delight that can accompany the ups and downs of life, if all of this will not just if, are you willing to embark on a future journey with SUPCON? SUPCON is looking at the industry from a new perspective with the technology innovation and industrial applications of process automation plus business automation, and facilitate efficient, energy-saving, high-quality, and safe production at low carbon footprint. We pay attention to every production process, every equipment in the process, and every stream of data generated during the operation. We embrace open connectivity and leverage intelligent operation management and control system to achieve autonomous operation. We pay attention to the entire production process, from raw materials to finished products, and animate each of them with data awareness and high reliability. We use data infused with care and wits to safeguard human health and life. With a powerful industrial operating system, we integrate the massive data generated across the enterprise, transform the raw data into insightful information, and drive intelligent decision-making and global optimization. We cherish every demand and work closely with our customer as their plant's mate. We provide end-to-end solutions, state-of-art products, life-cycle services, and ensure every detail of every delivery. We take challenges as chances. We empower the customers to fulfill digital transformation, enhance flexibility, and resilience. We help them thrive amid the tides of market dynamics. The future is no longer just an if. SUPCON has transformed if into practical how-to. With SUPCON, we let intelligent production and excellent operations endow industry with the warmth of caring for this planet. With SUPCON, we achieve sustainable development for humanity. SUPCON, make industry smarter, make life easier.